Hey guys, it's Kunal, commercial product photographer, and today let's talk about the areas you need to work upon to be a commercial photographer. Now, the first and the foremost thing, as I always say, is your skill set, your photography skill. You need to be highly skilled in whatever you're doing. Whatever it is, your specialization is, you need to be highly skilled in that. Because there's a huge difference when you're pursuing photography as a hobby and when you pursue it as a career, as a profession. So, the difference is that when photography is just a hobby, then you can take all your time, keep experimenting with light, keep experimenting with photography to create a beautiful picture. But when you are doing it as a commercial photographer, you need to shoot as per the brief that you receive from the client, and that too you need to create that photo in a very short amount of time. So you have to be highly skilled and you need to really understand and know your stuff. So the next one is planning and pre-visualization. Now, it's always better to be well prepared and do all the planning in advance so that you'll be better off on the shoot day. Now, as a commercial photographer, understand this, that you are the one leading the entire show. So you need to maintain a calm, cool, fun vibe on the set. Because if you get tensed, then the same energy will be passed on to your team, to the crew and to the client, which is never good. Okay. So it's always better to be well prepared and ask as many questions as possible to the client in advance so that you understand their requirement in detail. You understand each and everything in all the details that you as a photographer need to do on the day of the shoot. And lastly, of course, you need to understand the business aspect as well. Because, होता क्या है कि as a commercial photographer, जितना important photography है, उतना ही important है समझना business को. So you need to understand how to set your pricing right, how to do marketing, and how to maintain a regular workflow. Now, I've covered all these topics in detail in my other videos, so make sure you check them out as well. And guys, if you like these kind of videos and this kind of information, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. And do drop in your questions in the comment section. I'll try and reply to each and every comment or make detailed videos in my upcoming series. See you guys soon. Cheers. Bye.